Hello friends, welcome to my channel She's Crochet. In this tutorial we are going to see super easy scrunchie how to make. So please keep watching. Let's start this project with the slip knot. And then let's make chain 30. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 30 chains. Now let's take the elastic. Now we are going to put it inside like this. Here we will slip stitch into the first stitch. We want to join it without twisting the work. So for that, let's keep like this, and here we will slip stitch into the first chain. Let's do a slip stitch. Now we are going to work into each chain a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the very next chain, and then pull up the yarn. You got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through. This is our first stitch. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the second chain, pull up the yarn. 3 loops are there on our hook. Yarn over, pull through. Like this we are going to continue throughout this round with the half double crochet. Into each chain we are going to do the half double crochet. So at the end we will be having 30 half double crochet stitches. Next we will do the slip stitch into the first stitch. Let's do it here. Now the first round is finished here. For the second round, let's do chain 2, yarn over. We are going to do half double crochet, that is into the back loop, that is over here. Let's insert the hook into this. We have on the top we have 1 loop. This is our back loop. Here this is our back loop. We will go into this, and then when you turn this project you can see there is a loop down to this loop. So we will insert the hook into these two, then pull up the yarn. Let's do a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the middle or the back loop. When you come here you will see 2 loops are here. So insert the hook into these 2 loops, yarn over, pull up. Let's continue like this throughout this round. We are going to work same like this only for the entire project. Into the last stitch also we will do the same half double crochet, but into the back side. Now let's slip stitch into the first stitch. This is how we are going to continue throughout this project till we reach to meet this point. So let's do chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over, insert the hook under this, over, insert the hook into this center point. So you will come here, now over, insert the hook into the back loop along with the back side of this. Here I have finished the tube or the repetition round. Now I got like this shape. Now if you want to continue more, you can continue to fill the more space, or you can just stop over here. Then now we are going to do the slip stitch into the each stitch. Let's keep this one together like it is. This is the starting point. Let's keep like it is. Insert the hook into the first stitch, and then on the other side also under the V, then pull the yarn, a slip stitch. Into the each stitch we are going to do the slip stitch. Into the last stitch also we'll do the slip stitch, and then this is the last stitch, slip stitch, chain 1, snip off the yarn, now let's weave this inside so that it won't be visible. Our scrunchie is ready. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.